Good morning, students. Let us start a new topic, light. Before that, let us see some scenes which give delight to our eyes and peace to our mind. Lofty mountains covered with greenish vegetation. Magnificent trees reaching the clouds. Beautiful streams drifting down the valleys. Bluish sea water roaring towards the coast. It's a radiant sky in the morning being filled with golden red color. But can we see them all without light? No, because we can see things around us only when the light reflected by them reaches our eyes. Then what is light? Light is a form of energy and it travels in a straight line. Also, it is reflected by the polished surfaces such as plane mirrors. Let us see about mirrors. We use mirrors in our daily life for various purposes. Mainly, we use them for beautifying us. The mirror is an optical device with a polished surface that reflects the light falling on it. A typical mirror is a glass sheet coated with aluminium or silver on one of its sides to produce an image. Mirrors have a plane or curved surface. Curved mirrors have surfaces that are spherical, cylindrical, parabolic, and ellipsoid. The shape of a mirror determining the type of image it forms. Plane mirror form the perfect image of an object, whereas curved mirrors produce images that are either enlarged or diminished. So mirrors are classified as plane mirrors and curved mirrors. Curved mirrors are further classified as spherical, cylindrical, parabolic, and ellipsoid. Spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors are one form of curved mirrors. If the curved mirror is a part of a sphere, then it is called a spherical mirror. It resembles the shape of a piece cut out from a spherical surface. One side of the mirror is silvered and the reflection of light occurs at the other side. Let us see about concave mirror. A spherical mirror in which the reflection of light occurs at its concave surface is called a concave mirror. These mirrors magnify the object placed close to them. The most common example of a concave mirror is the makeup mirror. Convex mirror. A spherical mirror in which the reflection of light occurs at its convex surface is called a convex mirror. The image formed by these mirrors is smaller than the object. Most common convex mirrors are rear viewing mirrors used in vehicles. Parabolic mirrors. A parabolic mirror which is in the shape of a parabola is one type of curved mirror. It has a concave reflecting surface and this surface directs the entire incident beam of light to converge at its focal point. In the same way, light rays generated by the source placed at the focal point will fall on this surface and they will be diverged at a direction which is parallel to the principal axis of the parabolic mirror. Last year, you would have learned the focal point principal axis. I hope you would remember that. Hence, the light rays will be reflected to travel a long distance without getting diminished. Parabolic mirrors, also known as parabolic reflectors, are used to collect or project light energy, heat energy, sound energy, and radio waves. They are used in reflecting telescopes, radio telescopes, and parabolic microphones. They are also used in solar cookers and solar water heaters. Thank you.